Hello everyone, this is Matt with Park My Share. This video is going to be a quick introduction into how to set up and use the Guest Pay tool. The Guest Pay tool is a link that you can share with your guests for them to be able to pay for their parking before their trip begins and offset the parking expenses you incur as a host. To first set up this tool, log into your account and then navigate into the Guest Pay dashboard. From there, you'll need to press the green View Quick Links button and then the blue Manage Quick Links button. At this point, you'll want to enable this tool for your account, and then I always recommend that you have the guests fill out their last name. That way you know as the payments come in which trips they are for. The maximum rate that can be passed along to the guest is based off of the facility's rate. From there, you can always discount it to provide additional savings to your guests. So if you want to charge $14 instead of $18 to make it around $20 for the guest after the processing fee, you can do so. Once you press save, you're agreeing that you're going to disclose this fee to your guests on your listing platform, whether that be Turo, Getaround, or another. Once you've agreed to that and you've communicated it in your listings, there's now a URL that is active tied to your account. This URL is what you will include in your automated confirmation messages, or say an automated message that goes out 24 hours before your trip begins. Once your guests click on that link, they will be brought to a page where they can pay for parking themselves. Once your guests fill out their information and put in their credit card details, they'll press pay, and then the credits will immediately go to your account. If we go back to the guest pay dashboard, we'll be able to see that the Smith family made their payment. So I need to grant them access to the vehicle, whether that be remotely or with the lockbox code. When your guests make these payments, you can manage them in the paid dashboard, and the credits you'll track in what we call the fuel tank. This fuel tank is a giant ledger of credits and debits, and whenever credits come in, they're used to pay off any parking expenses you incur, whether that be for monthly, daily, or reserve spaces. This tool is a great way to offset your parking expenses while not having to charge an airport delivery fee on the front end, so as to be more competitive with your listings and keep high utilization. If you have any questions on setting this tool up, please reach out to us. Thank you.